Good evening, Nigel James, Argo Yachting, coming to you on this beautiful November evening from Port Adriano. I'm on board a Saxdor 400 called Luna, and what a beauty she is. Why not come on board and take a look? So here we are in the cockpit of this Saxdor 400. It's a GTO, this boat. It has some really nice features, and let's just start here with these two engines. We've got a pair of V10 Mercury. They're amazing, really. They are so quiet you hardly know they're running. They're amazingly frugal on the fuel, but the power and the torque is astonishing. Here in this dominating position in the cockpit, we've got this sunbed with forward seating. It will slide aft and all go flat into one bigger bed. Also, there's a hatch we lift up here because there is a small cabin on this boat under here. Comes as an option, you can have cabin or storage. This particular boat's got the cabin. It's quite nice, it gives you a 2+2 for overnighting. These two wings are long, they start here and they finish where the black post is. They drop down and then we can orientate these seats to sit and face out. So actually it makes this space feel really voluminous. And they have the effect of widening your cockpit, but also bringing the outside in and really feeling in touch with the water. We've got the hardtop here and we can enclose it. So for an evening, you can put these sides on like we've got here, and also there's one at the rear. So it can enclose this space and make it more cozy if you're spending overnight and you're in the marina like we are now. Obviously in the day, you would remove these covers. The table's a high-low table, so you can use it more casual or bring it up to eat. We've got a hot plate here, we have a sink, we have refrigeration, we've got all the mod cons. There's another refrigerator here, so we have two on this deck. And then through here, we have a glass opening door that allows us access through to this forward area. Lots of space here for a group, means that you don't all have to be in the same space. You can spread out, get a bit of peace and quiet. Even families need that sometimes. Let's take a look inside. So we've got this forward accommodation area, which actually works very well on this boat. We've got a pretty traditional forward double V arrangement here with some storage, a small seat. Got a good sized toilet and shower. Good, you can stand up there. It works very well. A little bit of storage under the bridge deck. Everything you might just need just for overnighting. But that in combination with the additional cabin we've got under the sunbed does give you the 2+2. So, for a bit of family overnight boating, it works very well. Not to forget the sunroof. We had this opening sunroof also over the helm. So although we have got quite a significant hardtop on this boat with the GTO, you are able to open it out and make it feel very airy and very open. But what I like about it is that you are well protected here. So even in weather that's not necessarily brilliant, you're very cosseted in here. It's a very nice environment and you're very well protected, even though in essence what you've got is a great big open day boat. Okay, so here we are at the business end, and what a lovely spot this is. In this light in particular, it looks quite spectacular. And maybe it looks complicated, but really it's not. We've got three panels here, and at the moment we've got them laid out as plotter, the zip wake, which is the trimming system, plotters both sides. But we can change the combinations around and look at different things on different screens, depending on what you want to look at, whether you want to look at engine instrumentation, plotter, radar, zip wake. Here we've got the Saxdor system itself, and this here is giving us information on shoreline power coming into the service batteries, and it's showing a consumption coming out of the service batteries because we've got lights on and various things. Also, it shows us a nice schematic here for our lithium battery system, and that is a system which is really something we fit instead of a generator to give us 240-volt services for hobs and griddles, hot water, etc. And if we need to top those up, we charge those anyway when we're running with the engines to and from our anchorage. But if we felt like we were staying overnight and we needed to top up the power, we could just run the engines. They're very quiet, and top up batteries if needed. It probably gives us 6 or 8 hours depending on your consumption, but it will give you an overnight as long as you manage your consumptions and don't have too many barbecues. Here we've got a joystick system on this boat. It's also got what I would call a sky hook, so we can station it in a particular point so that we can leave the helm, go and help with the fenders. If there's just two of you there, that can be quite a useful asset. It's very simple boating, yet feels very sophisticated. I think it's a very cool boat. If you go to the website and take a look, you will see there the full spec. You will see the price. She's here in Mallorca. She's very much for sale. She's in beautiful order, only done about 50 hours. Why not come and have a look? My name's Nigel James. I'm Argo Yachting. Thanks very much.